Hello everyone, today a lot of people doesn't use this, but you can actually delete your test or prompt in Gemini AI and it's super easy. So let's say I have to send 3 test message in a new conversation. Now the question is, how do we delete one of them? First, go down to the little gear icon in the bottom left corner, click on that, then click on activity on top, click. Now just scroll down and you'll see the full story of the prompt you recently sent. To delete one, all you have to do is hit the X icon next to it. For example, I'm going to delete the one called text 3. Okay, click. Once that's done, go to the Gemini text, refresh the page, and boom, test 3 is gone. And only test 1 and test 2 are still here. Super simple, hope that helps. And if you didn't know this before, now you do. Thank you so much, guys.